In Lagan capital, Russell presents A. Mughal rule, B. East India Company rule, C. French traders.
Pass. East India Company rule.
Correct. Your question. The East India Company's main training center in Western India was at A. Bombay or Mumbai, B is Delhi, C is Kolkata. Right answer. Gagan. The Indian National Congress was formed in A. 1857, 1885, 1905.
$1857.
Wrong answer.
1885.
Correct. Agni. When the East India Company introduced Lagan on farmers, what did it mean? A. Farmers have to pay money on crops to the Britishers. Farmer got free land from the Britishers. Farmers were allowed to trade freely.
A.
Correct answer. The East India Company first came in India mainly for A. Playing cricket, B. Trading spices, silk and cotton, collecting taxes. B. Correct answer.
Second question. The Battle of Buxar in 1764 gave the British control over options A. Punjab, B. Bengal, C. Mysore.
Bengal.
Bengal is the correct answer.
Question number 2. The Battle of Buxar in 1764 gave the British control over option A. Punjab, option B. Bengal, Bihar and Orissa, option C. Mysore. Can I repeat question? The Battle of Buxar in 1764 gave the British control over option A. Punjab, option B. Bengal, Bihar and Orissa, option C. Mysore.
Battle of Buxar. Where it is?
Bengal.
Correct answer.
Round number 1. Question number 1. When the East India Company introduced Lagan tax on farmers, what did it mean? Option A. Farmers had to pay money or crops to the British. Option B. Farmers got free land from the British. Option C. Farmers were allowed to trade freely. Can I repeat it again? Question, listen carefully. When the East India Company introduced Lagan tax on farmers, what did it mean? Farmers had to pay money or crops to the British. Farmers got free land from the British. Yeah. Option C. Farmers were allowed to trade freely. Which option?
Tell options again.
Option A. Farmers had to pay money or crops to the British. Option B. Farmers got the free land from the British. Option C. Farmers were allowed to trade freely. Which option?
Ma'am, option
Option A.
Option A.
Correct answer.
Prithvi. Question number 1. In Lagan capital, Russell presents option A. Mughal rule, option B. East India Company rule, option C. French traders.
East India Company rule.
Correct answer. The Indian National Congress was formed in option A. 1857, option B. 1885, option C. 1905. Think.
So now I'm going to repeat the question, Agni team. The British first came to India mainly for What was the reason British arrived in India?
Why did they come?
You have given the time of 15 seconds. Yes.
For money.
Pass it to.
The question goes to Gagan.
To trade spices.
One more point for Gagan. Agni Group, your third question. In which year was the Indian National Congress formed?
When was it formed? Year. Which year?
Your time is at 10 seconds.
Do you need options?
You opt for options. Option A 1880, option B 1885, option C 1890. Only Agni.
You should cancel one.
You cancel 1 point for this group now. As perhaps rules, ma'am, if this.
Correct answer.
You are right. Agni Group, your final question is that which incident is often considered the immediate cause of revolt of 1857? A. Introduction of railways. B. Introduction of Enfield rifles with greased cartilages of cow and pig fat. C. Heavy rainfall of ruining of crops. You have been given the time of 15 seconds. Say the option.
B.
Yeah, it's correct. Now we are going to start the round of rapid fire. So I'm going to read the procedure. I'm going to say the procedure of rapid fire.
So rapid fire, there will be asked 6 questions. Whoever raise their hand first will be you should answer that question. And if you don't answer, whoever raised second, they should answer that question.
What was Lagan?
Yes, brother.
Lagan was the agriculture tax of British.
Point to Gagan.
Round.
Second question for Agni, final round. How did British rule Indian rulers as rivalries?
In India, the salt was so free that when the British came, the salt was
Answer is formed alliances and divided kingdoms to gain control. Third question, round 3. Why is 1857 seen differently by historians? I repeat, why is 1857 seen differently by historians? Time starts now.
I don't know.
Some call it a mutiny, others the first war of independence. The answer is the first war of independence. Thank you.
Question for Prithvi. What was Lagan?
Taxes.
Rapid fire for Gagan. First question. Where did British India Company first set up its trading factory in India? I repeat, where did the British India Company first set up its trading factory in India? Surat. For Gagan, point please.
In which year did the British first establish a trading post in India?
Anyone can answer?
You don't know? Huh? In which year? Wrong, Vikas.
President of the Indian National Congress during the Quit India movement.
Muhammad Azhar. Muhammad Azhar, I think. Azhar.
Third question. In which year did the Constituent Assembly first meet?
In 1949.
1950.
1950.
Correct answer is 1946.
Who was the first commander of the Azad Hind Force?
Yes. Subhash Chandra Bose.
Wrong answer. Anyone else?
Azad.
Who drafted the Indian Constitution?
Ambedkar.
Right answer. It's the right answer.